I will show you my 4 minifigures of Ninjago. Kimi no Zen, Kimi no Kai, and JZX, and Kendo Cole. Sorry. First of all, the Ninja of Fire, Kai. Kimi no Kai. Because this is not Lego design, not design of Lego, his face is different. It look like Zane or Jay. The design of Lele po, Lele. And next is Kimi no Zane. The face is the same of Kai, Kimi no Kai. Sorry. Zane is Ninja of Ice. Next is Jay. He had no shoulder armor. Here we go. Ninja of Lightning. And next, the last is Kendo Cole. Here we go. The face is real. He had a long, huge. Sorry. So guys, goodbye. Hit subscribe or like. Sorry. Hit like in here. And please watch my other videos. Subscribe my channel. Hope see you again. Bye.